Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect Bluetooth easily on an Echo Dot. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So once again, this is an Amazon Alexa Echo Dot, and I'm going to be going over the process for connecting Bluetooth to this device from this device easily. It's a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. There are a couple of ways to do this, okay? So let's go over each one, okay? The first way is actually through your phone, sort of like you would do any other Bluetooth device. So I have an Apple iPhone here right behind me, and I'm gonna unlock my Apple iPhone, I'm gonna open my settings app, and I'm gonna go into the Bluetooth section, okay? So as you can see here, in the Bluetooth section, it says Bluetooth, my Bluetooth is on, and I can connect to the device Echo Dot GF1, okay? That is this Echo Dot right here. So the first way would be to connect to the Echo Dot just like that, just like I would connect to any other device. So I'm in the Bluetooth section right there. Bluetooth is turned on, and you can see right here, I can connect to the Echo Dot GF1, which is this one right here. And it says, also on my phone, it says now discoverable as iPhone. If your device is named something else, then it's gonna say now discoverable as something else, okay? So, you know, essentially, you want to know what your device's name is. This way you're good to go, okay? So I'm not gonna connect to it now, but I would tap that. It's pretty much that simple, okay? No problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna exit out of the Bluetooth section, exit out of the settings app, okay? And we are going to show you another way. The next way is to talk to Alexa, okay? Alexa, pair.
Searching.
So
I can't see anything to connect.
No problem, because there's nothing to connect right now.
You'd like to use.
Okay, so
sure Bluetooth
I'm just gonna let her finish. No problem.
To set up a new device.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. I get the point. I get the point. Okay, so essentially, you're asking the Echo Dot to pair, and it's going to search out for other Bluetooth devices. Now, the third way is through the Amazon Alexa app, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead, we're going to open this up over here. This is an old phone that I just use for videos like this. I'm going to open the Amazon Alexa app, okay? So we're opening the Amazon Alexa app. Give it a moment to load. It's going to search for the actual device. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap devices, and I'm going to move it off the screen. I'm not sure if there's any information that I don't want to be shown right now. So I'm going to tap devices in the bottom right-hand side towards the right. Devices. Okay, so essentially now it's bringing up all of my Alexa devices, and what I have my Alexa device right here. So I'm going to tap that, and I'm going to move this off the screen because it's going to show my Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to tap on my Echo Dot device. Okay, and on that screen at the top, it actually says Bluetooth connections, and there's a button that says connect the device. So if I wanted to connect the device, I would tap that button, and I would then connect the Bluetooth device by tapping that button, okay? Now, I'm not gonna do that, obviously, in this video, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. So that's basically it. Those are essentially three ways to connect Bluetooth with an Echo Dot. Now, like I said, some ways you can sort of connect Bluetooth to the Echo Dot, and then other ways you can connect Bluetooth from the Echo Dot. Sort of hard to understand a little bit, but once you've done it a couple times, it'll become very clear. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.